My name is Nate Wessels. I am the developer for the Resting Gardens Cemetery software. And for this tutorial, I will be showing you how to update interred records within your cemetery that already exist. This video will be similar to another video that is linked here. Okay, for first step, you want to find the interred record that you want to update. So you're going to want to find the plot on the map that you want to update. Multiple ways to do this. Firstly, you can search by name or plot ID here in the search bar. Or on the map, you can just zoom in and then find the plot you want to update and click on it. For today's tutorial, I will be using test data from Visitation Cemetery, which is located in Verboort, Oregon. The plot that I'm going to update today is C001 within Visitation Cemetery. If I click on it, it will zoom me into the plot. Going to click on it, and then it'll pull up all the plot information. Now, for the plot information for this tutorial, I'm mostly going to skip over because the intention for this tutorial is to update the interred record. But if you want to learn how to update the plot information, the links will be on the screen. I'm going to scroll down to where it says interred. And then I'm going to click on the name of the individual that I want to update. It's going to pull up the information screen. Here I can just see all the information that's been put in so far about this individual. So they're currently deceased, their plot information, their gender, their name, any photos, videos, public media or private media. As explained in how to create a new interred record, public media just refers to any file, video, photo that is accessible to the public. And then private is only for authorized accounts that have access to your cemetery. I'm going to scroll down to details. You can see all the information that's been entered for their birth, death, and burial information. You can edit any of these fields. The lock icon just signifies that only you can see it. No one in the public can see it. Scrolling back up, got the history, so like their veteran status, their obituary, their contact information, family friend memories, mortuary details, and exporting options. One thing I do want to note is if there has been an edit request from someone within the public wanting to update information about this interred record, there will be a separate section here that appears where you can click on it, look at the information that the public is wanting to make adjustments to, and then you can accept or reject whatever information they're wanting to update. The individual who submits this request will be given a status email indicating like if it was accepted or rejected. And then if you reject the information and it was a valid request, they then can contact you directly and explain why the information was correct. But if you accept the information, they'll be alerted saying thank you for submitting, etc., etc. Okay, going back up. When you're ready to update, this save icon here, or the save button, will turn blue. You can click on it, it'll give you a loading indicator, and then once it's completed, it'll close this menu and it'll bring you back to the plot information. Now, another thing is if you want to delete this individual, like it's a duplicate record, or for whatever reason you just want to remove them, you can click here, click delete, you'll get a delete warning, and then when you click submit, it'll remove it from the map, it'll remove it from public access. One thing I do want to note is we don't actually delete it immediately. We hide it. and we keep the information for 1 year, and then after 1 year is over, it will be removed completely. Now, in the event that you want to bring that information back for whatever reason, just contact our email address or its phone number, and we can undo that deletion. And if you don't want to make any changes, of course, you can just click the X icon right here. And that finishes this tutorial video. Have a nice day.